Hi guys, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about your Bosch dishwasher's E06 error code. But first, what does this error code mean? Your Bosch dishwasher flashes the E6 error code when there is a problem with the door mechanism. The following is the common cause for this error code: a faulty door sensor. Now, let's look at the best solutions to apply to fix the error. Reset the dishwasher. Turn off your dishwasher, unplug it, and wait 60 seconds. Plug it in and turn on the dishwasher. The error code should clear. Inspect the door mechanism. Unplug your dishwasher, open the door, and inspect the frame for obstructions. If you find any, clean them out. If not, unthread the screws holding the front panel. Close the dishwasher and detach the front panel. Inspect the wiring and replace any damaged connections. Open the dishwasher and undo the screws holding the control panel. Close your dishwasher and inspect the wiring in the control panel. You'll also see the door sensor, which you'll inspect for damages. Replace damaged connections before reassembling the dishwasher. Plug it in and test it. If the problem persists, call a technician. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.